What's up, guys? Unicycle Willie here, and just gonna do a short video. If you happen to have an Aorus motherboard and it's the X570 with a fan on the chipset, check what BIOS you are running. This one was running, I believe, F2, and there's a really annoying high-pitched noise coming from the case, and I eliminated my case fans and my GPU fans and finally my water pump. And I was like, where is this coming from? Is it my power supply? So I checked that. No, it wasn't my power supply. And then lo and behold, this might be hard to see, but your chipset fan is the one causing the noise. So go online and see what BIOS updates you can get. This is the master, Aorus master. I think it was the version 1. I got the F11 BIOS and it fixed the problem. So do this at your own risk. Flashing BIOS can be risky if you don't know what you're doing. A side note, when you are doing a BIOS update, let me grab it. When you're using a USB, make sure it is formatted to a FAT32. And then when you get the download from the Gigabyte website, which will be a zip file, you want to unzip it and put those files. You can put them in a folder if you want, but I just left them in the master on the USB. And then you can use any USB port. There is a BIOS specific USB port on the back if you want to use that. I just used one of the front headers up here. And then on your keyboard, when you boot it up, you can hit delete to get into your BIOS and navigate that way. Or if you just want to go straight to the BIOS screen, you hit the end key. It'll take you to, I think it's like QFlash. I believe it's called QFlash. So you just press the end key and it'll take you there. And then it's pretty straightforward. You select the drive, which is the USB. And then if you have it in a folder, you select that, and then you select the file. I think there'll only be one available. It'll be like the F11 or F whatever number your BIOS is. Click that. It'll take a while, and then your computer will restart, and then the noise will be gone. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. Later.